Today we're going to be making a quick beetroot and horseradish soup. Start by trimming the beetroot and wrap in foil. Place in the oven at 160 degrees for about 45 minutes or until they're tender. Dice a large onion and add to a pan and cook until soft. Add a teaspoon of fennel seeds and mix thoroughly with the onions. Add 1 clove of crushed garlic, 2 teaspoons of sherry vinegar. Slice the beetroot so they're about 10mm thick. Add 300 ml of vegetable stock to the onions. A generous pinch of salt and some ground black pepper. Add the beetroot to the pan and warm through. Add the contents of the pan to a blender. Add 2 tablespoons of horseradish and the juice of 1 lemon. Blend over a high speed until the soup's silky smooth. This soup can be eaten either hot or chilled. Pour it into your favourite bowl. Then top with some root vegetable crisps. Add a few pieces of soft goat's cheese. And to finish off, some sprigs of dill. And enjoy. Please like and subscribe to see more great recipes.